Today we're going to be taking a trip through the wild jungle of your computer's file system. So grab your Dora backpacks, everyone, and let's get started. I'm going to show you how to quickly and efficiently navigate through your computer's file system so you don't get lost in the BIOS settings. Now, to open up the command line on most computers, you can just go to the search bar, type in command or like terminal, click enter, and then you'll have your command line open. Let's jump into the actual command line. If you're curious about where you are in a command prompt and you're not sure, you can use this very simple command of pwd. So that is going to print our working directory. The P standing for print, and the working directory meaning the current folder that you're in. Directory is just a fancy way of saying folder. Now, the second command that we're going to be going over is the dir command. dir, and this stands for directory, or again, folder. So if you want to just see what is in your current directory, in my case, my current directory is projects, then I can take a look at the dir and what is returned. In my case, I have a project called Machine Learning is Fun, rad, and telegram.tt. So let's say I want to go into the rad folder. I can cd into that folder. So cd basically just means current directory. So I'm setting my current directory to rad, and now I'm in the rad directory. If you don't believe me, I'm just going to run pwd, our new command, and you can see that our current directory is the rad folder. Now let's say I'm in the rad folder and I accidentally cd into expo, right? I got too overzealous with my CDing and I CD'd into a folder I didn't actually want to be in. To exit this, I can just do the inverse or the reverse of CDing, which is to do cd ... and that will take me out of the folder that I accidentally entered. So in this case, I was in the expo folder. I did not want to be in the expo folder. It was a mistake, so you can just cd out of it. I can do the same thing with the rad folder here. Now let's say I do that very first command, dir, and I end up with all of the folders in my current directory. Let's say I want to go in Machine Learning is Fun, but I keep misspelling machine because I'm bad at typing or something like that. Or again, you just want to save half a second, you can do that by using the tab key. So if you just type the first couple letters and it's not the same as any of the other directories in that current directory that you're in, you can just type tab and have the computer print out the rest of the directory's name for you and then just hit enter. And now I am in Machine Learning is Fun. So that's a super easy, quick shortcut if you want to type things more quickly when you're in a command line. Now let's say I am in a folder and I want to add another folder in that folder. We're going to use another new command. This is a sub command of the dir command, and that is mkdir, so make dir. This is making a new folder in the Machine Learning is Fun directory. So just quickly, let's look at what's in Machine Learning is Fun. We can see that there's currently no folders in Machine Learning Fun. So we're going to mkdir, and we'll call it test folder. And now we can see that test folder was added. But if we want to verify that with the dir command, we can just type dir, and we can see now that there's a new folder in our directory. I hope you found this quick intro to the command line helpful, and in the future you'll be able to navigate around in your computer much more easily. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next one.